What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how I really messed up and bought a fake pair of AirPods Pro earphones. Let's get started. So yes, you did hear me at the introduction. I did buy a fake pair of AirPods Pro, and not on purpose. I thought I was getting a real pair. I thought I did all my research on the internet. Turns out I was wrong and I got hustled. And I'm sure a lot of you out there, whether you like to admit it publicly or not, I'm sure a lot of people got hustled as well. But I'm going to be telling you why I'm not super upset about this. So before we get into why I'm not that upset about buying a fake pair of AirPods Pro, even though it was not on purpose, I want to tell you about some of the signs I tried to look out for and ended up not being successful. So when you go on the internet and you look up how to make sure you know you're getting a real pair of AirPods Pro, one of the first things they tell you, because the main way you can really tell on the outside of the box, especially if you're getting it sealed, is the serial number sticker. So as you can see, the serial number sticker is at the bottom more, and that's one of the main things that they said. A lot of other YouTubers as well mentioned that this is the main way that you can tell this is a real pair of AirPods Pro. Now, if the sticker was more towards the top, then that would be a fake pair. So I purchased this sealed, and when I did, I looked right at the sticker. I looked at it, it was at the bottom. I was like, okay, that's a good sign. And then another thing I looked out for is the coloration of the white, like the different shades of white on the box. And that, as you can see, was really good. I mean, it can fool anybody. Even if you're an expert, it can still fool you. It's very good. Now, there are other ways inside the box that you can tell if it's fake, and I'm going to show you that now. So opening up the box, let's do that. Another thing they mentioned is the instruction manual. So when you take it out, on a fake pair, it would say AirPods, just AirPods, not AirPods Pro. So then I saw this and I was like, great, we're in good shape. No, you're wrong. We're not in good shape. And then it came in the plastic. I put it back in the plastic like this to just give you the best illustration possible of how it came in the box. So there you have the AirPods and the AirPods wireless charging case. Now open it up. You'll get the same green that you get, and you got your AirPods, which look really good if you ask me. But then you look towards, inside the case right here. I'm trying to get it so it can autofocus on this area right here. You can see there's the serial number. Now that serial number matched with this box, with this sticker, I'm sorry. So I was like, okay, we're in very good shape. And I was very excited. But the issue came when I was looking at my phone. So like I said, the way that I found out the AirPods were fake is when you go into the settings under Bluetooth and you're under the menu where you can pair your AirPods. If you press on that menu where it says where your AirPods are, and you press on the eye circle so you can display more information, this comes up. Now, as you can see, the first 4 letters here are GWXZ. Okay? So GWXZ. Now on the box right here, the first 4 letters are H1VC. So the mismatched serial number, once you pair it, is how I found out about my AirPods being fake. Now, here are some of the key differences I noticed between, of course, the fake AirPods and the real AirPods. Now, I can make this distinction because my sister actually has a pair of AirPods that are real. She got them engraved from the Apple store. So I was testing the two, and I noticed a couple things. So the main thing, the fake ones, you do not notice any change at all when you activate the noise cancellation. It's pretty much there for show in the fake one. So that is the first thing. And the second thing is the sound quality. Of course, there is going to be a difference in sound quality. You know, you are getting a clone of the actual AirPods Pro. So there is about a decrease in sound quality. I would rate the AirPods sound quality at like, I would say about 8.5. The fake ones I would say are about at 6, which is not bad. I mean, it's more than halfway through, but it really depends on what you're looking for. But these are the main differences that I noticed between the fake and the real AirPods. Those are the two, you know, real life differences between the noise cancellation and the sound quality. Those two things are the difference between the two. Now, let me talk about some of the similarities between the fake AirPods that you're looking at right now and the real AirPods that I used, the ones that I tried that my sister has. So the fake ones have wireless charging, which is very cool. For something that's supposed to be fake, I mean, they didn't have to include it, you know, in China or wherever they made them. They didn't have to include wireless charging, but they did. So that's very impressive. And then the pairing process is the same. So I'm showing you right now how it's gonna work when you pair, when you open up the case, how your phone, you know, greets the AirPods Pro and how the pairing process works. It's exactly the same. There is no difference at all. And then when you swipe all the way to, when you keep swiping to the right until you reach that section where you can search your entire phone for an app or a document, it still shows the AirPods as one of your, you know, other Apple devices, which is insane that Apple was fooled by the clone or the fake AirPods that these are a real pair and they're registered with Apple. And then finally, they look the same. They look exactly the same. When I pick this up and I show it to you up close, these are real, you know, like speakers, grills. I'm trying to see if I can get it closer here. I don't know if you can see, these are real, you know, grills. It's not just a black sticker on there, because I know there were some fakes out there that just had a black sticker right there. This is not the case. It's actually a real looking AirPods Pro. They look. So this was my video about how I made a big mistake and I bought a fake pair of AirPods Pro. I wanted to share that with you. You know, I don't mind sharing my mistakes. Nobody's perfect. But if you did enjoy the video, leave a comment below, give me a like, and let me know what you think. Have a great day. For the October giveaway, the secret code is 0729. Again, it's 0729.